Welcome to Unit 3, Injury and Dysfunction. This is covered fairly basically in your manuals. Now, everyone will have their own unique experience of dysfunction and injury, be that a raised left shoulder to an Achilles rupture perhaps. We're going to cover this throughout and discuss it in more general terms.
So we're going to start with the basics of dysfunctions and what they are, how they link to the injury process and the mechanisms of injury, and we're finally going to move on to the repair process and how that works.
So this is really important to therapists, as you're going to see people at various stages of the injury and dysfunction cycle. Now that will determine how you treat and give you capacity to intervene at a really good point if you can identify what stage your client is at.
So in the manual this has been split down into two sections, but we've actually decided to split it into three so that we can focus more clearly on each section. So it will be injuries, dysfunction and the repair process. This will be delivered to you via a series of interactive PowerPoints, and we shall also back that up with some blogs with our own personal input. So let's start dysfunctions.